Innovation, precision, quality, reliability, sustainability, and service are what shapes the DNA of Jura. This Swiss company is the only brand anywhere in the world that focuses on premium, super automatic, specialty coffee machines. And is clearly positioned as the specialists and experts in this market. Coffee machines from Jura are associated with the simplest operation, chic and stunning design, and an exquisite cup of specialty coffee that is always freshly grounded, not capsuled. And if you're a coffee lover, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And speaking of that, I think we should try one of them. And a beautiful cup of espresso or cappuccino. Cheers!